Do you want to have some yogurt? Yes? What are you eating right now?
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets?
I said that.
Who are you?
Colin and I'm eating yogurt.
Yum, what kind of yogurt?
Greek yogurt.
Tasty. Bridgie, do you want some yogurt? Maybe? That looks like a lot. Whoa. Did you scoop that yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Are you going to eat it up so there's no waste?
Uh-huh.
All right. Next time, let's start with a smaller portion, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then we can always add more, can't we?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, because we don't want any waste. Before you eat that, is there any more you want to give Bridgie from yours? Maybe share?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. You want some?